Alright, in this video we're going to be replacing the fog light on the driver's side. Recently I had gotten the bumper cover fixed because I hit a deer and had to replace the fog light on the passenger side. Noticing a huge difference, I decided I might as well replace the driver's side one too.
It's like the lens are like full of rock chips. And the bulb on the driver's side isn't as bright as the one on the passenger side now. So we got a new fog light assembly here. And it comes with a new bulb in it, but we're going to take that out because we got, what, 6500 K bulbs in it right now?
Yeah.
So we don't want the standard bulb in it. Go ahead and kill it.
Alright, so in order to do this, we gotta take off these bolts that hold the bottom piece on to get at the fog light.
And their car might not be this way.
It might vary by year.
It might be, might not be, because what, you hit that deer and then when you put on this, you just kind of put what, these?
No, I think these came with it.
Oh, these come with it? Okay. So their vehicles will probably be like this too then.
I don't know, like I said, it might vary by year.
I'm probably just going to take off what, from about
from here on,
half of the car around to the side we're going to be replacing the fog light.
I don't even think we need to do this next side. I don't think we need to do that
probably
far.
don't even need to. Just to get that plastic underguard shield down.
Yeah, so you can get at the fog light.
Yep, get underneath it, behind it.
Alright, so after you get those two bottom bolts out for the under piece here, there's another one on the inside of where your splash shield is. Might be a little hard to see, but it's right down right here. This one has to come off also, and you'll have access to your fog light.
And you just got to pull that down enough to get your hand up under there to get to the fog light.
Which is very hard to see. Kinda. Oh, I might probably need a flathead to get this off. Oh, maybe not. Oh, you would clip back in. Yeah, it just wants to clip back in every time I... Oh, come on. Get that out.
And that's what the whole assembly looks like.
Just
pop that fog light bezel out. Now we can get access behind the light.
see what we got going on here. How does it come off? Looks like it's just clipped in. Just clipped in. God, it's bolted in somewhere.
And then just push on the front of that, pop it out. The whole assembly should just kind of come out.
And there's your old one.
There's your assembly.
And there's our new one.
Let's see the difference between the two. This one's all full of, it's like rock chips.
Dirt, probably.
And it's really affecting the light. It's not near as bright.
Yeah, you can
And then
see
you can
the
see
difference.
the lens on this is way more clear.
A lot cleaner. This one's
Yeah,
dirty too. You can see I mean, even feeling it, you can feel it.
It's all pitted.
Yeah.
That's just from rocks, I'm
Yeah.
sure. And
Yeah,
just,
even right here. I mean,
yeah, that looks like a big chunk almost gone
it's a
there.
scratch.
Yeah.
It's a big scratch. I can feel a gouge in it.
Well, it'll definitely be better once that one's in. You take that other bulb out of there. You can take that stock bulb out because we got better ones, so we don't need that one.
This can come off though.
Yeah.
Alright. And the bracket is right here, so it's going to go this way.
And you just kind of line it up because there's clips on the inside of the bumper cover. kind of line those clips up there.
Trying not to break anything, but it's like,
You gotta be forceful, but
does it feel like it's lined up though? It's like all off kilter.
yep, it is. Alright.
Alright,
Okay,
that's how
that's
it's in.
in.
Yep.
Alright.
Where's the light bulb?
Put our 6500K Phillips bulb in, because that's a lot brighter than the stock one that they give you. Not really going to be able to get a video of you putting the bulb in.
No.
I think we all know how to put a bulb in a socket. Just kind of feel and twist for it, and you plug it in.
Where my harness at here? Well, let's tuck that away and then we'll just tuck this back up in there.
Yep. Up underneath. Work your way around. Okay.
Probably should have started from this side. There we go.
It's all up under there?
Yep. Now I just gotta bolt her back in and we'll be done. Put our fog light bezel back in. I think that's it.
Yep.
Yep. Now she's in. That's easy. And just bolt her back up on the bottom and we'll be done.
How many of those did you take out? 3?
Yep.
There's what, 2 in the front and then the one on the side of the driver's side splash shield?
Yep. That's all she is. That's all you need to take out unless you're doing the whole thing. Even then, I wouldn't take the whole bottom piece off. I would just start with one side and then put that back side. The one side you do, I'd finish it up and then start on the other side.
That one's been replaced. That one's new. Now they're both new. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. That's how you replace your fog light assembly.